think it's your bodies only would use to income. 751 or com free shipping. To get 35% off your first preferred order by using discount code KSFO.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. 4 questions. Did you or someone you know lose money in the market in 2008? Do you think a crash like that will happen? Do you want to have what happened to your money last time happen again? What are you doing differently to prevent that? If your retirement savings are invested in the market, reposition that money and protect it from losses sooner than later. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 5 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach these free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Dublin, Alamo, and Sacramento, Wednesday through Friday, November 9th through 11th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-73-RADIO. That's 1-888-73-RADIO, which is 1-888-737-2346. 1-888-737-2346.
Regional Center of the East Bay supports persons with developmental disabilities and their families to achieve lives of quality, satisfaction, and partnerships resulting in inclusive communities. For more details, go to rceb.org.
Talk Radio 560 KSFO San Francisco, a Cumulus station. It's easy to listen when you're at home. Just tell Alexa.
This is a Fox News alert. Think long and hard about the moment we're in. I'm Lee Silicera. Those comments expected in moments from President Biden as he said to the protecting our democracy as Election Day approaches. Earlier, Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre talked about what he would touch on.
Unfortunately, we have seen MAGA Republican officials who don't believe in the rule of law. They refuse to accept the results of free and fair elections, and they fan the flames of political violence through what they praise and what they refuse to condemn.
Speech is not an official White House event. Less than a week before the midterms, the latest Fox News poll of the Georgia Senate races has Democratic Senator Raphael Warnock and Republican challenger Herschel Walker virtually tied. In the Pennsylvania Senate contest, Democrat John Fetterman holds a narrow lead over Republican Mehmet Oz. The Federal Reserve raised its 4%, its highest level in 15 years.
We anticipate that ongoing increases in the target range for the federal funds rate will be appropriate in order to attain a stance of monetary policy that is sufficiently restrictive to return inflation to 2% over time.
Chair Jerome Powell, the Fed did signal plans to keep raising rates, though possibly in smaller increments. CBS and its former president Les Moonves will pay $30.5 million as part of an agreement with the New York Attorney General's office, which claims the network's executives conspired with the Los Angeles police captain to conceal sexual assault allegations against Moonves. The National Hurricane Center says Hurricane Lisa has made landfall along the coast of Belize. It's about 10 miles southwest of Belize City with maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour. America is listening to Fox News.
The Tunnel to Towers Foundation is building its Do Good Village in Land O'Lakes, Florida. It's the first of its kind, a community of 110 homes for the Foundation's program recipients. So together, families can heal. So together, families can help one another. A special place where families know that their neighbors understand and care. Make the Do Good Village the first of many. Donate $11 a month to Tunnel to Towers at T2T.org. That's T2T.org.
This week on RVER, sponsored by Progressive Insurance.
I'm sorry, I can't operate on that vehicle.
But doctor, you took it out.
That RV, it's my son's RV.
Oh, doctor, isn't there anything you
I'm
can do?
not a miracle worker, Sheila. I'm an RV surgeon, trained to save the lives of large injured recreational vehicles, which is definitely a real profession.
When your RV really needs saving, Progressive has you covered. See if you can save with a leader in RV insurance. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates covered subject to policy.
We'll take a look at KSFO traffic. 2 separate crashes in Lafayette, and they're at the same spot, eastbound 24 before Acalanes Road. On the right lane block, you are backed up from 51st right now. Delays of over an hour because it's slow already leaving Oakland for 680. That's your traffic. I'm Brian Drake.
This report is sponsored by Blindster.com.
Hi, I'm Kyle. My company is Blindster. Blindster in 2010 to provide custom blinds, shades, and shutters at affordable prices. Our blinds are easy to install and shipping is free. Don't hire an expensive professional. Do it yourself and save big at Blindster.com.
This report is sponsored by Valley Heating, Cooling, Electrical, and Solar, celebrating 60 years of dedicated old-fashioned service for complete home comfort.
No cost. If you suffer from ED or Peyronie's disease, give West Coast Men's Health a call today.
With clinics in San Mateo and Sacramento, call West Coast Men's Health at 650-649-7944. That's 650-649-7944. Online at .com.
Victor deployed for the first time to Afghanistan in 2003. At 4 in the morning, my phone rang. They said, I regret to inform you that your husband was wounded in action. Victor sustained a moderate traumatic brain injury. I was doing school full-time, and I was also then caring for Victor. One of the most important elements of caregiving is taking care of yourself. I just didn't want to forget that I also had goals and that I also had a life. What I did is I challenged Victor to meet me halfway. There are almost 6 million military and veteran caregivers across the nation. We have our own journey, and we can fulfill that journey at the same time that we are helping our loved ones.
Visit aarp.org/caregiving for a free military veterans guide to navigate your caregiving journey and better care for your loved one and yourself. Brought to you by AARP and the Ad Council.
Recession, yes or no?
You're not in a recession if you're a Democrat or if you're a reporter. You are in a recession if you're anyone and everyone else.
Within 3 to 6 on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Hidden bunkered somewhere under the brick and steel of a nondescript building, we've once again made contact with our leader, Mark Levin.
All right, here's Joe Biden.
Good evening, everyone. Just a few days ago, a little before 2:30 a.m. in the morning, a man smashed the back windows and broke into the home of the Speaker of the House of Representatives, the third highest ranking official in America. He carried in his backpack zip ties, duct tape, rope, and a hammer. As he told the police, he'd come looking for Nancy Pelosi, take her hostage, to interrogate her, threatened to break her kneecaps. But she wasn't there. Her husband, my friend Paul Pelosi, was home alone. The assailant tried to take Paul hostage. He woke him up. He wanted to tie him up. The assailant ended up using a hammer to smash Paul's skull. Thankfully, by the grace of God, Paul survived. All this happened after the assault. It's hard to even say.
And the police.
It's hard to even say. After the assailants entered the home asking, where's Nancy? Where's Nancy? Those are the very same words used by the mob when they stormed the United States Capitol on January the 6th.
I see.
When they broke windows, kicked in the doors,
So that ties them to an unhinged, mentally ill, drug-addicted, homeless, illegal alien. That illegal alien who should have been deported.
Enraged mom.